So many herbs, so many spices. That's what I love about India. I'm basically belonging to a Rajasthani family. My family is into retail business of electronics and hardware materials. My family always wanted me to get into the traditional business. I told them no, I can't open a shop and sit over there and do retailing. I did highest education in my family. Expectations were very high. If I start with my journey, like I started it in July 2013, I was not aware about what product to deal, which market to target. Nothing was there. I was just having a single office of 200 square feet. And I got an idea that I should deal into natural herbs because this is a booming industry which can be used in cosmetic industry, which can be used for healthcare, which can be used as a food supplement. So day by day, I started adding up new products. So after 6 months of launching my business, I got my first export inquiry. So I myself packed the products, I myself made all the documentation and completed my first successful export transaction. For like starting 2 years, it was very challenging for me to convince my family that I want to be in this business. We started selling on Amazon.com in Feb 2016. Initially, we just saw the orders of 2-3 orders in a day. But since we started doing on FBA mode, like the sales has picked up, and especially if we talk about Cyber Monday and Black Friday, major sale periods for Amazon.com. So that time my sale has picked up. In this 1 year only, we have seen a growth of 200% in my business. And apart from .com, we are also going to Amazon.uk, we are also going to Amazon.japan. We are happy that when we are sleeping, then Amazon is taking care of our online business in USA. I never expected that Amazon will help me in this way to build my brand like internationally, and where people say that I want a product with the brand Herbs and Crops. Mummy always told Papa कि let him do whatever he wants, he'll do. I know that he'll do it right. देखो मैंने बोला था ना कि मनीष कुछ करके दिखाएगा. So I feel proud on that.